guys, once again, welcome to my channel, Fit Mamamia Cooking. Today I am cooking oxtail soup with potatoes, carrots, celeries, and young mango. Okay, this is the simple ingredients for the oxtail soup. This is 1 kg of oxtail, 2 big potatoes, 2 big carrots, 3 stalks of celeries, 1 young mango, 1 bowl of fried shallots, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 4 pieces of sliced ginger. Okay, now I'm going to cook the oxtail in a slow cooker for 1 hour. So this is the oxtail. I'm going to add in all inside here. It's a ginger, it's a black pepper, and salt. Okay, just cover it and cook for 1 hour in a medium. Okay, see you in about 1 hour. Okay, the oxtail already cooked, but the pot is small. So I'm going to transfer to the bigger pot and add in the potato and carrots. So now I'm going to add in the potato and also the carrots. And the mango. Cover up. Let the carrots and the potato will cook. And before going to put the celery. Okay guys, it's time to check the oxtail soup. It's the oxtail soup. Look at that. It's already cooked. So now it's time for me to try before I'm going to off the fire. It's time to try. The taste is good. Just nice. So now I'm going to off the fire and prepare. Look at that. It's already soft. Some carrots, some potatoes. Okay, this is the oxtail soup, and of course I'm going to add in the fried shallots, and sprinkle some of the spring onion. Okay, so the fried shallot I'm going to pour over the soup. Okay, so now it's time to try. Okay guys, it's time to try the oxtail soup. I'm eating with rice. So this is the oxtail soup. See, look at the meat. It's tender. See? Mmm. Tender and nice. Try the soup with the mango. Mmm. Sour. Wow. The mango taste is nice. Hope you like my cooking, guys. A simple and easy recipe. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.